Kung nagpunta ka dito para sunduin ako, hindi ako sasama sa'yo.
Faye, ayoko nang magtago. Ayoko na rin magsinungaling sa sarili ko. And I don't want to lie to you. Totoo ang lahat ng sinabi sa'yo ni Ate Bobby mo. May kinalaman talaga ako sa pagkamatay ng nanay niya. Your dad, he was ready to leave Glenn and me for that other woman. And I was scared. And I became selfish. I wanted her gone. I needed her gone. Gagawa ako ng affidavit. Aaminin ko ng lahat. And I plan to give it to Bobby. And siya na bahala if she wants to prosecute. I made a huge mistake. And I'm willing to accept the consequences. Faye, I'm not perfect. I was not a perfect wife to Joaquin. But I did everything I can to be the best mom sa inyong dalawa ni Glenn. For you, Faye. Alam ko, sirang-sira na ang image ko sa'yo. But the least that I can do is come out clean. Faye, if Bobby decides to prosecute, I will not fight it. And when it happens, kung sandali na lang ang panahon nating magkasama. And when they come for me, gusto ko magkasama tayo. Gusto ko sumama ka sa iba. I want you to be with me. Dahil gusto kong makita mo that I am owning up to my mistakes. Mahal kita, Faye. I am so sorry. At pinagsisisihan ko ang lahat.